In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a payment method on HostGator. Whether you're updating billing information or simply removing an old card, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to HostGator.com. At the top right corner, click Sign In. Enter your account email and password, then hit the Sign In button. If you've forgotten your password, just use the reset link provided. Once logged in, navigate to the HostGator home section. From here, look for Profile in the menu. Clicking it will open your account settings. Inside your profile, click on My Payment Methods. This section shows all payment options currently linked to your account. Find the payment method you want to remove. Next to it, you'll usually see an edit button. Click it to manage the details. Inside the edit screen, look for the option to delete payment method. Click it, then confirm when prompted. This ensures the method is securely removed. After deletion, return to your payment methods list. Make sure the removed method no longer appears. If you're actively using HostGator services, always keep at least one valid payment method on file. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a payment method on HostGator. Keeping your billing information up to date helps avoid service interruptions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.